It's enough. We can't go up. No, it cannot go up. No, you cannot go.
The one speaking, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you very much.
So welcome everyone. These are loading gantry.
This camera stream?
Yes, it's one streaming. Yes.
Okay, it's one stream. Can go there. I think this place is really feeling weak.
Yeah.
So just only you stop anybody from coming. You can hear the vibration.
Basically, let's go down. This is our loading bay now. We are about to load all these trucks you are seeing. These trucks are 33,000 liters capacity. So we have started loading. We want to demonstrate that we can load. Can we please put it on?
So like this compartment that we are now, 20,000 liters, second compartment, that's already been programmed for the three.
Is that we give the guy? Let's mic what I saw.
So we can only
Precious. Collect the mic.
it's already programmed. Second compartment, 20,000. So now I have pressed that. The valve will open in 3 seconds for the compartment to start loading. The compartment we are loading now 20,000 liters. So it has already started. The valve is now counting down 20,000 liters for the second compartment.
So thank you very much. You can all want to complete. So thank you very much. It's real. Yeah. Thank you very much. Thank you. Thank you. Let's go down.
I can hear. I think the other side.
Energy future.